silicone in everything that you just saw me do before this one. So again, we're going to make sure the background is nice and wet. But this time I'm not going to do it out of a plastic bag. I am going to use a little cup. So we're going to make this nice and wet. No silicone in the background color, people. Yeah, why not? Because you get those dimples. And they're not really a problem if you're planning on filling them in later, you know, just a little more paint. Because when the background color has silicone in it, it tends to leave these spots and you'll have to fill them up. So if you make the mistake, which I have done plenty of times, don't worry, you can always fill it in later. Okay, now I'm going to be using the little cup. So we're going to put in the white, a lot of white. Then some of the Payne's gray. And now we're going to put in the colors, but I'm going to be using a little bit more than I did in the previous one because I want more of this popping up. A little bit of gold, a little bit of blue, a little bit more of the turquoisey color, and the purple, and we're going to give it a little bit of green again because I like this green. I'm not a green person, but sometimes I have colors that I do really like. So that's that, and we're going to put a really thin layer of this on top. Oh, no, it's not on top, it's sinking straight through, so we've got to be careful with that. Okay, let's do this. That's nice. Okie dokie, let's level it a little bit and then torch it. Now there's a lot of color popping up, as you can see. See how beautiful that is? Okay guys, I've been talking to you and showing you and spreading out the paint and wasn't recording. Too bad. Okay, this is it. There's nothing more popping, but look at those colors. They are beautiful. And so I'm sort of thinking about doing a one with only these colors, without the Payne's gray and the white, just to see what it'll give me. But this is a beautiful little painting. The only thing I'm missing is a lot of the gold because it sank to the bottom, and a lot of the purple that's not showing up. A little bit up here, a little bit here, but not really a lot. So maybe I need a little bit more of that. And I do have, let's just go with it. You know, I can always make a new one. I want some more purple in there. I'm going to put a ribbon on top, but not really a ribbon that you really see, but one that I'm going to make flat. Don't know if you understand what I'm talking about, but you'll see in a bit. I do like that color too. And a little bit of the gold. And we're going to give it a little swirly and see what happens. Making it flat is what I'm doing right now. Otherwise it's going to stick on top, and now it's sort of a part of the painting, and that I like. I like that. There's just a little bit more motion in it. It's not going to be much cells, as I can see. Just popping some air bubbles. But this just gave it that extra. See that? Like that is beautiful. I love that. And then with these beautiful, beautiful mica colors. That I really like. Sometimes you miss the cells, but not in this one. I'm not really missing cells because of the motion going through it. That's what I really think is appealing. So I'm gonna let this dry and we'll see what happens to it. Okay guys, sorry about the part in the middle that that I wasn't videoing. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do one more.